We have talked a lot about the objects and their attributes, and also about the blocks. But if you want to not add different objects, different designs into a block which fixes the attributes which you need to select together and all of that, if you want to keep them individual, for example over here, and you want to combine all of these different circles together, what you can do is you can group them. So this is a very good facility for you. You can just create the group. So right now these are all grouped, but they are individual, means these are all individual items, but this is inside a group of 5 circles. Now what can you do is you can just move them all together. Let me copy, for example, CO. Let me take one of the points, and then so right now it's a group. The benefit of group and block, there is a couple of differences in block and group. Also you can ungroup them. For example, once we are here, we want to ungroup them, we want to modify in certain details. At the same time, you can edit the group. For example, if I want to change certain things, remove or add objects into this one, so I want to remove this circle from the group, for example, also this circle. So now this is a group of just 3 circles. Let me edit that again. Remove objects, remove this circle and this circle. Okay, now this is a group of just 3 circles, and these 2 circles are separate. So these are some of the details. Then we have group selection on and off, which means if I close this, then I cannot select the group. This is very useful if you want to keep the objects as it is, modify them, keep it open for modification, but also keep them together in one group. So when you click this, you can use them as a group. No, not this one. Yeah, you can use them as a group. At the same time, if you just toggle it off, you can use them as individual items. You don't have to go into the block, you don't have to explore the block, edit the block, all of those details, which is very good. In terms of block, it combines all the attributes together. It makes it more easier to work with, especially for legends and this. But for example, if you just want to create a group of the room, for example, you want to mix together multiple things within the room, architecture, mechanical, electrical, you can do it just as a group. You don't have to create it as a block. So this is some benefits. And then you have the group manager, where we can group name, and all of those details are there. And then we have a group bounding box. So again, like in this one, you have you don't have the group bounding box, which makes things more easier. That's how you can work with groups, which is working with objects as a combined selection, unlike the blocks. So there are many differences. In terms of block, you have more details, more selection, more attributes, all of those things are there. Whereas in the group, it's just simple. It's that's what it is. It is very simple. You can unselect it, you can just work on individual objects, you can group them all together and just move it, modify it, work with a group. You don't have to break your head on block attributes. You don't have to break your head of fixing it, exploding it. For example, if I just want to work on this one, oh no, where did this name came from? So all of these details you don't have to break your head on in group. So that's a simple way of grouping things and moving them around than block. Block is also good. It's just a bit advanced and a bit more different use case than block and group.